Hey there! Today, we're uncovering the secrets of castor oil. You might have heard a lot of myths about it, but let's dive into the real benefits of this powerhouse oil. Ready? Let's get started. Benefit 1. Promotes hair growth. First up, castor oil is a hair growth miracle. It's packed with rich oleic acid, which boosts circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. If you're looking to thicken your hair or combat hair loss, this oil might be your new best friend. Benefit 2. Moisturizes skin. Next, let's talk skin. Castor oil is a fantastic moisturizer. It's rich in fatty acids that deeply hydrate and soothe the skin. Perfect for treating dry patches, wrinkles, and even minor skin irritations. Benefit 3. Boosts immune system. Castor oil also has immune-boosting properties. Its antimicrobial effects help keep infections at bay and support overall immune health. A little castor oil can go a long way in keeping you healthy. Benefit 4. Eases constipation. For those digestive issues, castor oil is a natural remedy. It acts as a powerful laxative, helping to ease constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Just remember to use it sparingly. Benefit 5. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation got you down? Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help. It's great for soothing joint pain, arthritis, and muscle soreness. A gentle massage with castor oil might be just what you need. Benefit 6. Enhances wound healing. Finally, castor oil can speed up wound healing. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects help protect wounds from infection and promote faster recovery. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share it with your friends. Embrace the power of castor oil and see the difference for yourself.